Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off cover skin dark mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So now successfully turn on cover skin dark mode. So at first open settings, scroll down, click on to cover skin and look here. So look here, not showing it to exactly turn on or off dark mode option. So go back, open my display section, then showing it to light and dark mode. When you turn on to dark mode, then turn on dark mode on your cover skin. And easily turn up, or if you want to use control center, showing it to turn on dark mode and turn off dark mode.